Stop using Mid-Journey for a second. In 2026, the real war for AI images is happening between Google Gemini and ChatGPT's DALL-E 3. One is an artistic genius, and the other is a precision master. But which one should you actually use? Today, we're putting them through 4 extreme rounds to find a winner. Let's get straight into it. Round 1 is all about realism. Can these AI tools fool the human eye? I'm giving them both this prompt: a hyper-realistic close-up portrait of an elderly fisherman with a weathered face. Look at Gemini, the lighting is cinematic, almost like a movie shot. But look at ChatGPT, the skin texture is incredibly sharp. Gemini feels more like art, while ChatGPT feels like a real photo. Who won this round? Drop a comment below. This is where most AI fails. Writing text, you want a neon sign that says KeyonPhoenix. Let's generate it. ChatGPT nailed it. Perfect spelling. Gemini, well, but it still struggles with complex words sometimes. If you're making logos or YouTube thumbnails, ChatGPT is your best friend. Everyone on TikTok and Instagram is turning themselves into 3D toys. Let's see who makes a better limited edition action figure. Look at these packaging details. Gemini's colors are vibrant and pop out, but ChatGPT's packaging box looks more like a real product you'd find at a store. Who won this round? Final round, complexity. A transparent glass whale with a forest inside, flying over New York. This tests how the AI understands deep layers. Wow, Gemini really nailed the transparency part. ChatGPT followed the instructions better than Gemini. I'm having a hard time deciding who wins this round. Comment your idea on this. So, the final verdict? If you want artistic and cinematic visuals, go with Google Gemini. But if you need precision, text accuracy, and graphic design, ChatGPT DALL-E 3 is the king. Another thing I noticed is that ChatGPT is much faster at generating images compared to Gemini, which is a huge plus for quick workflows. I've put all the prompts I used today in the description below, so you can try them out on your PC. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 tech secrets. See you in the next one.